English 6, Term 1, Week 8, Session 2, Developing Persuasive and Narrative Text Through Reading and Writing Skills. Learning objectives. The learners are expected to describe the purpose and structure of an outline, construct an outline based on a given text, value the importance of organizing ideas before writing. It's spelling time. I will pronounce words that are related to the lesson for the day, and you will spell them out in your notebook. Number 1. Outline. 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 Number 2. Organize. 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 Number 3. Sequence. 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 Blueprint. 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 And number 5, evidence. 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 Let us have a review. Directions. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the three basic parts of a text or essay? 2. What is the purpose of the introduction in a text? 3. What does the body of an essay do? 4. What does the acronym MEAT or MEAT stand for in a body paragraph? 5. What is the main purpose of the conclusion? Let us now have this activity. Directions. Find the words in the puzzle. Words may be found in any direction. Body, conclusion, idea, introduction, statement, text, topic, transition. Let us now read this text. Sinulog Festival. The Sinulog Festival is one of the biggest celebrations in Cebu City. It is held every January in honor of the Santo Niño. People wear bright costumes and dance to the beat of drums while chanting Pit Señor. Visitors from different places join the celebration to experience Cebu's rich culture and deep faith. The festival also helps boost tourism and supports local businesses. Let us now answer the following questions. Where is the Sinulog Festival celebrated? Who is honored during the festival? What do people do during the celebration? What is the main idea of the paragraph? What details support the main idea? Which details belong under the topic activities? Which detail explains the importance of the festival? If you are making an outline, what would be your major headings? Structure of an outline. An essay outline is a plan that organizes ideas before writing. It helps the writer arrange information in a logical order. What is an outline? An outline is a straightforward and precise blueprint for an essay, detailed with the content of each paragraph, the sequence of paragraphs, and how all points integrate, with bullet points or numbers to organize information and convey ideas. Basic structure of an essay outline: Introduction, hook, interesting fact, question or quotation, background information, thesis statement, or main idea or opinion. Body paragraph 1. First main point, supporting details, example or evidence. Body paragraph 2. Second main point, supporting details, example or evidence. Body paragraph 3. Optional. Third main point, supporting details, example or evidence. Conclusion. Restate the thesis. Summarize the main points. Closing statement or call to action. Importance of an outline. Creating an outline helps the writer construct and organize ideas in a sequential and coherent manner. Outlining allows the writer to review the information being presented and plan how to effectively communicate with its readers. Additionally, it enables the writer to experiment with style and tone to determine the most effective presentation strategies. Outlining is used to organize large amounts of information, helping to identify which details are more significant and which are less critical. Essentially, it helps you remember the key points. Example essay outline. Topic: The importance of reading. Introduction. Reading opens the door to knowledge. Many people enjoy reading for learning and entertainment. Reading is important because it improves knowledge, vocabulary, and imagination. Body paragraph 1. Reading increases knowledge. It helps us learn new facts and ideas. Example: Reading science books teaches us about nature. Body paragraph 2. Reading improves vocabulary. We learn the meanings of new words. Example: Storybooks introduce unfamiliar words. Body paragraph 3. Reading develops imagination. Readers picture the events and characters. Example: Adventure stories inspire creativity. Conclusion. Reading offers many benefits. It improves knowledge, vocabulary, and imagination. Everyone should develop the habit of reading every day. Assessment. Directions. Read the paragraph below, then complete the outline. The benefits of recycling. Recycling helps reduce waste and keeps the environment clean. It also saves natural resources because old materials can be made into new products. When people recycle paper, plastic, glass, and metal, they help reduce pollution. Everyone should practice recycling to protect the earth for future generations. Ways forward. Directions. Answer the following questions. What is an outline in writing? How does an outline help in organizing ideas? What are commonly used to organize information in an outline? Why is outlining important before writing an essay? How does outlining help writers identify important details?